Good day. Philosophers and theologians have long asked, is belief in one God or a Tawhid just faith, or can it guide reason and society too? So Muhammad Abdu argued that Tawhid is more than rituals. It's foundation of morality and justice. So scholars like Griffel, Dens, and others expand this kind of idea, showing that Tawhid connects reason, revelation, inspires justice, and even fosters dialogue between religions. But one question often overlooked is this: can the Tawhid be understood as a universal principle accessible not only to Muslims but to all humanity? So for my claim, this is my thesis. Tawhid is not only a matter of faith, it is a universal and rational principle that shapes moral life and society. So here are my 3 points. Reason and revelation work together. For Abdu, thought that revelation does not replace reason but strengthens it, guiding thought towards certainty. As also mentioned by Atala 2025. For the second point, Tawhid as freedom and justice. Dens 2024 shows that God's unity gives real freedom its foundation, while Sapari 2023 stresses that Tawhid inspires justice and revelation. And for the third point, universality of Tawhid. Billy Moria 2024 and Griffel 2024 argued that reflection and philosophy reveal the divine unity as a truth accessible beyond one culture or faith. And for my objections, cultural relativity. Villamoria 2024 notes that many traditions embrace polytheism and pantheism, so Tawhid may not be universal. For the second objection, conflicting revelations. So for another scholar, he argued that Sihuwadi 2025 reminds us that even Judaism, Christianity, and Islam disagree despite affirming the oneness of God or the Tawhid. And for the third objection, the misuse in history. Sapari 2023 admits that Tawhid has sometimes been used to dominate instead of liberate. And for the extra objection, the faith and reason, so Griffel 2024 warns that reason can unsettle faith rather than confirm it. And for the replies, Abdu's harmony of faith and reason, revelation as Abdu explained, it is light that completes reason, not its rival. The living principle, as Sapari 2020 shows, Tawhid is not abstract. It demands justice and equality in real life. And the universal reach, Villamoria 2024 highlights that divine unity makes sense through reflection, rational reflection, opening dialogue across traditions. And lastly, education can responsibility. Abdu supported by Soyatno 2022 and Azaro 2025 saw Tawhid as shaping education, forming the ethical individuals and just societies. So in my conclusion, so Tawhid is not just a belief for Muslims, it can only be applicable in Muslims. It is a universal truth that unites reason and revelation, empowers justice, and guides humanity toward freedom, dignity, and harmony. That will be all. Thank you.